Boeing. It's really a very graceful, pretty aircraft in the sky. When you see her fly, the beautiful wing shape, I think you'll agree with me. This is the Dreamliner. This is the 787-9 here at Farnborough in the all Nippon Airways livery. This is the second variant of the 787 Dreamliner family. Entered service in June 2 years ago. Well, how about that? Celebrating the centenary of Boeing in a few days' time on the 15th. They're celebrating it here in style. All Nippon Airways, or ANA, launch customer of the 787 Dreamliner. They are the largest so far operator of 787 with more than 80 orders for the Dreamliner family. Indeed, today marks the first Japanese livery aeroplane to perform a flying demonstration at Farnborough Airshow. Indeed, ANA has decorated its livery with two distinct decals to commemorate this special occasion. 47 of those 80 orders, 787 has already been delivered to ANA. Today's flight under the command of Van Cheney, Chief Pilot for the 777, and Randy Neville, former Chief Pilot for the 787 program. In fact, Randy was in fact part of the crew of the original 787-8 when it made its maiden flight on December the 15th, 2009. It's a very efficient aircraft, the 787. Low noise footprint. It's very quiet. The level of noise inside is very, very quiet. It's like a low rumble. Since the 787 family entered service in 2011, it's amassed some impressive statistics. 425 deliveries, 500,000 flights, 1.2 billion revenue miles have been flown, and isn't that graceful? 96 million passengers flown to their destination, and because of the efficiency of the wing and engine configuration, £8 billion of fuel have been saved in comparison to previous aircraft. 175 knots at the moment. We've got our flight tracker back up and running. Various different marks of 787 available. 787-8, 242 passengers. Of course, when you get these statistics, it depends very much on how that particular airline wants to configure their cabin. But the range of the 787-8 is around about 7,300 nautical miles. There's the 787-9, up the passenger load in two class configurations, something like 290 passengers. The Dash 10 is the third member of the super efficient passenger pleasing 787, and that's in its development and creation. That's going to be around about 330 passengers. So depending on what operation you want to do, what range you want to do, where you want to go, and the passenger configuration depends on which variant of 787, or indeed a collection thereof, giving you maximum flexibility. The 787 has smooth ride technology. It senses motion due to turbulence and makes inputs to minimize the aeroplane motion, resulting in a much more pleasant ride for the passengers. Large windows. You can have it powered by Rolls-Royce or General Electric. Rolls-Royce Trent 1000. Chargeable energy by Metro Gravity. Operational cruise speed around about 0.85 marks, similar to that of the 747-400.